The final product we'll discuss from the MetaPWR product line is MetaPWR Advantage. This product has been clinically developed to strengthen metabolic health, addressing healthy aging with NAD+, NADH, and collagen. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, known as NAD+, in its oxidized form, and NADH when it picks up electrons lost by NAD+, is crucial for mitochondrial maintenance, especially regarding metabolic function. While your body produces NAD+ and NADH naturally, production drops dramatically around middle age and continues dropping. Preclinical studies suggest supplementing with nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NMN, may increase NAD+, leading to more youthful functioning of cells and body systems. But more confirming clinical research is needed. Collagen is something you might have heard of before. Collagen is what gives your skin its elasticity and firmness, and it's also what supports your lean muscle and connective tissue. There are multiple kinds of collagen, but not all collagen works equally well. Before we get into that, you should know that collagen is also something your body produces naturally, and its production also drops with age. For supplemental collagen to help, it really needs to be taken internally. Topical use just isn't as effective. But even with internal collagen products, the quality and absorption of the product must be taken into consideration. When considering independent collagen tripeptide absorption rates, the 70% plus tripeptide content of MetaPWR Advantage represents an absorption rate approximately 12 times that of other standard collagens. That means that if I give someone a regular collagen bottle from Amazon, and you compare the milligram levels, we'll get approximately 12 times more into ourselves with the doTERRA product. Collagen MetaPWR Advantage boasts 9 unique collagen types. Each collagen type plays a unique role in improving skin density, elasticity, and hydration, strengthening blood vessels, supporting connective tissue, and improving overall vitality.
Let's dive into the uniquely effective collagen in MetaPWR Advantage, starting with some background on what collagen even is. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body and a key component of connective tissues that make up tendons, ligaments, skin, muscles, and other body parts. There are 28 known types of collagen, all of which have different functions and uses within the human body. While most collagen nutraceutical products use only 1 or 2 collagen peptide types, MetaPWR Advantage contains 9 that each support different biological systems, from bone and cartilage strength to skin elasticity. Connective tissues give your body structure and strength. For example, the ligaments in your knee are composed of collagen. They allow your knee to flex, bend, and absorb shock. As we age, our collagen levels decrease and can cause ligaments and other connective tissues to weaken. The collagen in MetaPWR Advantage has both a greater breadth of benefits and comes in a more convenient form than any other product on the market. As mentioned, most collagen products only feature 1 or 2 collagen peptide types, usually the collagen types that are most relevant to skin beauty, elasticity, and wrinkles. MetaPWR Advantage features those types of collagen too, but a competitive advantage we are very excited about is that it doesn't just have 1 or 2 types of collagen. It includes 9 unique collagen peptide types. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body and performs many important roles across 28 different collagen types. So, with our delivery of the following 9 different collagen types, we are emphasizing the whole body role of collagen. Collagen type 1 is related to skin beauty. Collagen type 2 is related to bone production and is the main component of cartilage. Collagen type 4 is the main protein of the basement membrane connecting the dermis and the epidermis. That's your skin, forming a network structure to make the basement membrane malleable. Collagen type 5, which is related to the regular arrangement of collagen fibers, stabilizes the structures of type 1 and type 2 collagen. Collagen type 6 regulates muscle function and stabilizes cell membranes, inhibiting cell apoptosis and antioxidant stress. Collagen type 9 is an important component of cartilage and is mainly distributed in the cartilage cells of growth plates, joints, and intervertebral discs. Collagen type 25 inhibits the fibrillation of amyloid beta peptide. Collagen 1A2 protein is collagen fibrillin. And finally, vacuolar protein sorting 37A is involved in cell growth and differentiation. As amazing as this lineup of collagen types is, your body must actually absorb them to derive the benefits. The term bioavailable refers to this principle of absorbability. When a supplement or nutrient is more easily absorbed and used by your body, it's considered more bioavailable. A supplement's delivery system is crucial not only to its bioavailability, but also to the stability of its active ingredients. After all, what good is it to include high-quality, expensive ingredients in a product if they're cooked out during the pasteurization process that's used to make the product? Herein lies one of the challenges with liquid products. The process used to sterilize the water-based delivery system not only eliminates the harmful bacteria, it also eliminates the beneficial active ingredients like vitamins, flavonoids, and polyphenols. Some of these other delicate ingredients are part of what makes MetaPWR Advantage so unique and effective. By providing this product in a powder format, we're able to avoid the sugars and pasteurization that accompany a collagen-flavored juice and enhance its overall shelf stability and even environmental compatibility. Powdered collagen, on the other hand, mixed with water immediately before you take it, is much more effective and preferred by your body's systems. In addition to being powdered, our collagen is also hydrolyzed, meaning it is cut into specific tripeptide fragments, which dramatically increases its bioavailability. Our collagen is sourced from sustainably harvested cold water marine fish in exotic places like Italy. The marine collagen of MetaPWR Advantage has been hydrolyzed or pre-digested by endo and exonuclease enzymes known as proteases. These enzymes create small tripeptide fragments of 3 amino acid sequences for optimal absorption. Other collagens in the market, whether from land animals or marine sources, may typically contain tripeptide content of 15 to 35%. MetaPWR Advantage collagen is greater than 70% tripeptide fragments for superior absorption. In some cases, it was demonstrated to be 12 times more absorbable. There are more fantastic ingredients in MetaPWR Advantage. Our collagen is just a piece. You can learn more about some of the others in the next video with Dr. Stevens.
I am excited to share some of the key ingredients in MetaPWR Advantage. This incredible product is one we've been developing for quite some time. Each ingredient was carefully and deliberately chosen, contributing something special for truly amazing overall results. Before we jump in, remember that aging happens from the inside out. It's rooted at the cellular level. You may be familiar with this principle from previous videos in the course, but the concept is simple. If your cells are young and healthy, that manifests on the outside. If your cells are struggling or damaged beyond their years, that also manifests on the outside. Your biological age, as opposed to your chronological age, is determined not by the number of years of your life, but rather by how well your cells function and what they do for your body. This is at the heart of MetaPWR Advantage. The ingredients give you an advantage on a cellular level. Let's look at yeast powder NMN first. Nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NMN, is a vital precursor in the biosynthesis of nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, or NAD+, which is a coenzyme found in every cell in your body. While NAD Plus serves numerous functions, the most critical are metabolic processes and mitochondrial function. NAD Plus converts food into energy and offers protection to your cellular energy factories. Without sufficient NAD Plus levels, cells aren't able to generate the energy to survive and carry out their functions. By the time we reach age 50, NAD Plus levels are generally half of what they were at age 20. This decrease can contribute to various health challenges, like difficulty managing weight and lower energy levels. By supplementing with the naturally derived NMN found in MetaPWR Advantage, you can support your body's ability to produce NAD+, optimizing metabolic health. Basically, NAD supports ATP production, which may be a bit of a callback to high school biology. In case you don't remember, ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate, and it's like the energy of your cells. NAD supports ATP production, which is one of the reasons it's so important. So, with NAD production going down with age, the NMN ingredient becomes so valuable. It supports your NAD levels, which in turn supports so many bodily processes. Other ingredients to highlight are resveratrol, rose apple extract, ceramides from rice, red-orange complex, sea buckthorn, biotin, hyaluronic acid, and liposomal vitamin C. According to preliminary studies, red-orange complex and sea buckthorn are both polyphenol antioxidants, but more confirming clinical research is needed. You may remember antioxidants fight free radicals and prevent oxidative damage and stress to your cells. Next, liposomal vitamin C. Liposomal vitamin C is important because it not only encourages the fibroblasts of your body to synthesize new collagen, but it also stabilizes the collagen fibrils in your body via hydroxylation. As a chief component of the extracellular matrix, hyaluronic acid plays a similar role in maintaining the integrity and health of your skin. Its unique ability to absorb and retain water helps prevent dry or damaged skin. Sometimes you'll see this manifested as dry, scaly, or wrinkled skin. I hope you love this new product as much as I do. MetaPWR is an amazing product system, and we can't wait to keep sharing more about it with you throughout this course.